What's the meaning of courtyard? Courtyard. Courtyard.
Courtyard. Courtyard. A courtyard is an outdoor space that is surrounded by walls or buildings on 3 or 4 sides. It is typically located within a property and is often used for recreational or decorative purposes. Courtyards can be found in various sizes, from tiny private ones to large public spaces. They are commonly adorned with plants, fountains, and seating areas to create a peaceful atmosphere. The design of a courtyard can vary depending on its intended use and cultural context. Overall, a courtyard serves as a functional and aesthetic addition to any property.